Today, we are answering a crucial question for every new vehicle owner. Should you stick with your original equipment tires or make the switch to an aftermarket option? Our test vehicle, the Tesla Model 3, will help us determine if Michelin's OE Primacy MXM4 can hold its own against its aftermarket rival, the CrossClimate 2. Let's get into the details. In wet conditions, the CrossClimate 2 truly excels, significantly outperforming the Primacy MXM4 with shorter braking distances and faster lap times. It's clear that when the roads get wet, the CrossClimate 2 has a distinct advantage. Dry roads are where we spend most of our driving time, and here, the CrossClimate 2 again leads the pack. It stops shorter and ensures that crucial bit of safety we all appreciate. When it comes to ride comfort and noise, it's a tight race. Both tires offer exceptional comfort, but the Primacy MXM4 pulls ahead just slightly. It's a close call, showing that either tire ensures a smooth ride. Now, let's talk about snow. The CrossClimate 2 demonstrates superior stopping power, with a notable difference in braking distance compared to the Primacy MXM4. Acceleration and handling on snowy surfaces also see the CrossClimate 2 leading, providing confidence and control when you need it most. On ice, the stakes are even higher. The CrossClimate 2 again showcases its superiority, with a shorter stopping distance that can make all the difference in icy conditions. It's clear that for ice and snow alike, the CrossClimate 2 offers unparalleled performance. Across all tests, the CrossClimate 2 stands out not just for its grip and handling, but also for its durability. With a higher tread life, it promises longer adventures on the road. Electric vehicle owners, take note, while the Primacy MXM4 may offer a slightly longer range due to its optimized rolling resistance, the difference is manageable. The key takeaway: superior performance doesn't have to come at the expense of efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.